life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the
Hey guys, we just checked out from our hotel and now we are heading towards Miami. So we'll be spending some time on the way on the Keys, and basically this is our 5th day and heading towards Miami. We really had a great time. I mean, we enjoyed thinking about the street, the places around the Key West.
hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. The feeling is all gone. The feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth, show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bone, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone.
For some time just to see the view. We have been enjoying a lot on the Keys, very nice scenic view.